Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix blinking white light on a Xfinity router, meaning and full troubleshooting. A blinking white light on a Xfinity router usually means it's starting up. Try to connect to the Xfinity network or installing a firmware update. So fixes are: wait for the firmware update. Do not unplug the router right away. A blinking white light may mean a firmware update is in progress. Wait up to 15 minutes for the update to finish. Second one is check router activation. Make sure your new router has been activated. Open the Xfinity app on your phone, then complete the activation if prompted. Then wait for the light to turn solid white. Third one is check the cable connection. Make sure the coax cable is slightly connected to both the router and the wall outlet. Disconnect the cable and check that the center Cooper pin is straight. Remove any unnecessary cable splitter and reconnect the cable securely. Fourth one is power cycle the router. Unplug the router's power cable, then wait 60 seconds. Plug it back in and wait about 5 minutes to see if the white light becomes solid. Thanks for watching.